Hey everyone, welcome back. We've covered a ton of ground together so far, but honestly, today is a massive milestone. Welcome to Class 11 of our free AI course for beginners. I am so pumped for today's explainer because we're jumping headfirst into the incredibly fun world of animated cartoon characters. And the absolute best part? We're going to do the whole shebang using a completely free AI tool. Seriously, anyone can master this in just a few minutes. So grab your notebooks, dial in that focus, and let's get creative. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our creator's roadmap for today. We've got 1. Start free AI animations. 2. Characters, backgrounds, and sizing. 3. Giving characters a voice. And finally, 4. Organizing scenes for stories.
So, kicking things off with step 1, start free AI animations, the initial setup.
Traditionally, animation was just ridiculously expensive, right? And exceptionally difficult. You'd need massive teams, complex software, literally months of drawing frame by frame. Well, we are completely bypassing all of that today. If you're a total beginner, let me just reassure you right now, this setup is incredibly simple. Step 1, you just open your browser and do a quick Google search for Adobe Animation Maker. Step 2, you're going to click the free Animation Maker link. And step 3, simply sign into your account. That's literally it. Your journey starts with just a basic web search and a quick login. No massive downloads, no huge fees. Which brings us to our next phase: characters, backgrounds, and sizing, setting the scene. Okay, this is where the real magic happens. Once you choose to create animated character, just think about the endless cast options you get. You can choose from boys, girls, or even animals. Whatever wild story you're imagining in your head right now, there's absolutely a character ready to perfectly play the part. Choosing a character that your audience finds relatable or just downright funny is your very first crucial step as a director. Because honestly, that visual connection is exactly what drives people to keep watching. But of course, a great character needs a great world to live in, right? Think about the stark difference between those default blank backgrounds and a custom scene selection. It is absolutely crucial that you click the background option. Seriously, don't just settle for those boring default backdrops. Swap them out for a vibrant setting, whether it's a bustling city street or a quiet park. It gives your specific narrative that essential context. And this brilliantly illustrates our next point: sizing. You've got to format this for your specific audience. Are you making a YouTube format video, an Instagram reel, IGTV? This tool effortlessly formats the aspect ratio for your preferred platform with a single click. It completely takes all the guesswork out of it. Now, for our example today, we're going to select the YouTube format just to give us a nice wide canvas to play with. All right, moving right along to my absolute favorite part: giving characters a voice, bringing it to life. So, we've got our perfectly sized character. They're sitting in this awesome custom background, but right now, they're completely silent. We need custom voices to truly make them come alive. And the tool gives you 2 super flexible ways to do this. You can click record to use your mic directly, which is super fast and easy. But what if you're, say, using your PC's mic to record something else right now? Well, option 2 is your best friend. Just click Browse to upload a pre-recorded audio file. This is a fantastic workaround. You just record the audio on your phone, send it over, and boom, upload it right in. Let me give you a fun little example of how to write and record a short script. In our source material, there's this really funny dialogue where a boss is scolding his employee, Chotu. He's yelling, "Arao Chotu, tujhe gaadi di thi dhone ke liye, tu dhokar nahi lekar aaya?" Which basically translates to, "Hey Chotu, I gave you the car to wash and you didn't bring it washed." It's that kind of expressive, relatable script that gives the AI exactly what it needs to really work its magic. And oh man, once you upload that audio, you get to witness the AI magic firsthand. It automatically starts processing the lip sync and the hand gestures. It's actually a real thrill to watch. The AI analyzes your audio file and does in seconds, literally seconds, what used to take animators hours and hours of tedious manual work. It perfectly syncs the character's lip movements and even throws in natural hand gestures that actually match the rhythm of your voice. Then, when it's done, you just hit download. Now, what's really interesting about this next part is, well, how do you build a complete story? Because generating a single clip of a boss yelling about a dirty car is super cool, no doubt, but it's just one isolated scene. To become a true creator, we've got to pivot our focus from a single clip to constructing a full-blown, multi-scene narrative. Which brings us to our final section: organizing scenes for stories, combining clips. This is where we transition from animators to actual directors. We have to chain these clips together.
And the workflow here is wonderfully repetitive. Step 1, simply click animated characters again. Step 2, choose the next character or background. Step 3, add the new audio and hit download. Basically, you just repeat this whole process for your second character, your third character, whatever you need to build out your cast and keep the story moving forward. To wrap up the technical guide, you just take all those individual downloaded scenes and combine them using a basic video editing app. If you're on your phone, an app like VN is perfect. On a PC, Premiere Pro or Filmora are excellent choices. And hey, if stitching clips together sounds a little intimidating, don't sweat it at all. There are tons of dedicated courses out there specifically for those tools that can take you from the total basics right through to your final export. So the power of an entire animation studio is literally sitting right at your fingertips, and it's completely free. What animated story will you bring to life today? I really want to challenge you to take immediate action. Think up a fun script and go try this out. And before you run off to start animating, please remember to drop a like on this explainer, share it with a friend, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our future lessons. Keep learning, keep creating, and I'll catch you next time.